I hope wherever you're watching this, you're in the pursuit of living your best life. I'm Siddharth, and today I want to share 4 steps that I personally use to bounce back from burnout and improving our mental health. Let's do this. Number 1, acknowledging. Acknowledging that yes, I am in this situation and not avoiding that feeling. The more we run away from it, the longer we are going to be miserable. This awareness is very key in bouncing back, and we will talk in a bit about how to increase this awareness. Let's face it, life is too short to be living a miserable life. The global average life expectancy is about 70 to 76 years. It's roughly 4 to 6 decades of life ahead, and it's not a lot of time. So we want to get out of this situation as soon as possible. And the best part is, there is always a way, and we can figure it out. Number 2, expressing your thoughts and feelings. Now, I cannot stress enough how important and useful it is to express how you feel. Let me share some of the ways I do it. First is writing it down. Simply letting it out on a piece of paper or your notebook. I find writing it down gives some shape to the spiraling thoughts or the racing mind. It is the starting point to get some clarity. Another one could be talking to yourself about how you felt in that situation and expressing your emotions. This could be about troubling thoughts or whatever is going on in your mind. Next one that I really encourage doing is meeting up with a friend you trust and who is also a good listener and simply talking your heart out. This will reduce the bottled up feelings and possibly prevent more intrusive thoughts. Number 3 is self-care and being intentional about your life. Let's talk about self-care first. Now, this involves the basics like getting a full night's sleep, eating clean and nutritious foods that are good for you. After all, we are what we consume. Adding to that list is also listening to some good relaxing music. I personally find instrumental really helps. One good example is the song When the Wind Talks by Malthy Martin. It's a real good one. I will link it down in the description if anyone wants to check it out. Next, under self-care is shutting off distractions. I personally find it very helpful to shut off all sources of distractions. A big one being our phones. I delete all the apps that will eventually lead to doom scrolling. In most cases, it is just cheap dopamine with zero relation to how I am feeling. And definitely, do not check your emails. It can wait. Next is movement and activity. Some of my go-tos are strength training or going for a run and even going for a long drive. All these activities are linked to feeling progress, and progress is the lifeblood of all human existence. Another great one is spending time in nature, or just in the woods. Nature is a proven healer and helps you to align with yourself. Now, all these 4 activities are so powerful because they are linked to releasing the hormone serotonin in your body, which improves mental health. Earlier we talked about increasing our awareness. Now, why I find self-care and being intentional as game changers in increasing our awareness is because they mark the beginning of a great relationship with yourself. You start to feel comfortable and relaxed in your own space, even when you are with other people. A great bonus point to add here is about clarity. This is about taking action on any clarity you have received during this process. It may not be a detailed plan, and that is okay. The details will start naturally coming in as you take the first step. The immediate clarity could simply mean saying no to something or starting something new. At this point, I won't think about what others might think. Why? If I don't have a good relationship with myself, I may not have a good relationship with anyone else too. And lastly, to conclude, it is not necessary that these steps have to be applied in the same order. It is really about what is most relatable in that given moment. The goal here is really to be in control of your life. The world will be such a better place when everyone lives intentionally aligned with their own self and not feel like their life is a mess. Thank you so much for watching. Please share in the comments what are your best strategies in getting your mojo back. We got this.